Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for November 2014. Aquarians, we begin this month with Mars conjuncting with Pluto on November 10th. And this is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with behind the scenes activities and even spirituality. Now, whenever Pluto transits this particular house, you can get in touch with old issues and work on them. It's a great time to start therapy and work on psychological issues. If you run from any of these problems, bigger problems will present themselves, so don't run. It's not as scary to deal with them as you think it is. You can completely transform yourself and eliminate loads of baggage during this transit if you don't fight it. Given November 18th, Sun conjuncts Saturn in a part of your chart that has to do with your career, your reputation and your social status. And this is a time when Saturn, it's literally on top of the chart, it's the center of the chart, and ironically enough there is freedom in knowing some of our limitations, and this particular transit in this house is exactly going to teach you what it means. Now, it's just a monthly, it's a very short transit that is there, but self-evaluation is the key over here for you, Aquarians. And it's very important that you build secure foundations for yourself over here. You are in the spotlight as far as your career is concerned, and this is exactly what it is that you have been building for and which is now coming up for inspection. Any projects that you are working on right now, they can be some amount of recognition and rewards that you can benefit from it. However, this is also a house of ambition, and we do not really focus where we are going as much as we focus on where we stand. And the question is, where is it that we are going? Is reserved for the next house. It's not really applicable in this particular house. However, for you, it is this transit, though it's a short transit, as I said, it will be quite an eye-opening one. It will be a time where you will be working hard, and you will be taking on your own fair share of duties and responsibilities. And either you could also be reaping some of the rewards, some amount of accolades and recognition that could be coming your way as well as as far as your work is concerned. You could also become aware of what it is that you have accomplished and what it is that you have not. And you will not be viewing the world or your work or your reputation with rose-colored glasses, and you will be willing to face the facts and only the facts. At beginning of the transit, however, you may feel a little uncomfortable, you may feel publicly scrutinized, or you could feel a little bit under fire for some of the recent decisions that you may have taken at work, and you could feel also burdened with your responsibilities. And this is again, it's a temporary phase. It's really putting a spotlight onto the things that require more work, and you could be that you may have been holding a false image of yourself or of your capabilities or what it is that you can deliver and what really the reality is. So Saturn is merely trying to show you on the areas or as far as your work is concerned, to rely more on facts to see whether it can be executed and not merely rely on your past reputation, Aquarians, on what it is that you have achieved. And by the time this transit is over, you will be far more clearer about what is the route that you should be taking. Venus trines Uranus on November 26th, and it's aspecting a part of your chart that has to do with higher mind, learning and some amount of travel as well. And you could be mentally quite restless, and Uranus, being the planet of unpredictability and chaos, could create a lot of mental stimulation and change for you. And you may take up maybe a new course of study. You could be studying a new technology, a new way of doing things, or maybe your current work you could be studying more. You could be trying to learn lots of new things as well, but you should try and stick to them and be consistent, Aquarians. You could be attracted to fields of study also that include science, technology or even metaphysics. You could also be finding newer ways to express yourself and communicate, and this is a good period for writing, though You could experience, for those of you who write, experience periods wherein that you get a ton of writing done and then experience prolonged writer's block. You need a change in your daily life when this transit happens, or changes may happen to you that shake you up. So Aquarians, a great month, a lot of focus on your career, a lot of focus on realistic expectations out of your work, out of your capabilities, and not to rely on past glories. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Aquarians. I'll see you again in December. Thank you so much for watching.